Do have a look at the hedge fund ownership report. Now, you might say Q1 2022. Well, yes, that's up to the end of March, and these things are reported in arrears. So whilst I'm recording this in late June 2022, it's still relevant. What does it tell us? Well, it tells us of the top 25 energy stocks, and they're listed here, held by hedge funds. Only 2 met my approved filtered list. Only 2 met my approved filtered list. And my approved filtered list, you will recall, is the one which goes through valuation, revenue growth, cash flow, all of those other factors. So I'm more stringent than what these hedge funds will be. And in the energy sector, only these 2 companies, as at the time of speaking, meet my requirements. What about in healthcare? Well, we've got 3 in this case out of these 25 hedge fund stocks which meet my approved filtered list. Materials, none of them do. You can pause if you wish to have a look at this in more detail, but none of the hedge fund holdings meet my approved filter list. My approved filter list might be too stringent, you might say. I also want to take you through top 25 tech stocks on this. Johnson & Johnson is a tech stock. Look, it's at the bottom. And this is according to the hedge fund holdings, okay? And only 1 meets my approved filtered list. Let's go by what Bank of America is saying. Actually, I'm going to do that in a future video. Keep an eye out for it. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and all those things with this. Thank you.